Evaluate the integral of e to the x over 1 plus e to the x times ln of 1 plus e to the x dx. So I will apply u substitution. I will let u be equal to ln of 1 plus e to the x. And getting its derivative of u du, derivative of ln of 1 plus e to the x, that's 1 over 1 plus e to the x, then times, by chain rule, we multiply by the derivative of 1 plus e to the x, which is e to the x dx, which is this part on the original integral. So if we substitute, we'll have integral of e to the x dx over 1 plus e to the x, that's equal to du. Then over ln of 1 plus e to the x is u. So what is the integral of du over u? Ln u plus c. And then substitute back the u in terms of x, which is ln of 1 plus e to the x. So the final answer is ln of u, which is ln of 1 plus e to the x plus c.